Hi friends, we're so glad to be back with a new video and I welcome you all to my channel, George the Explorer. India is a land of festivals. We celebrate countless ones throughout the year, especially in Mumbai. We have Diwali, Dasara, Holi, Ganesh Chaturthi and many more. Starting from September, the festive season really begins, and one of the most popular and anticipated festival celebrations after Ganesh Chaturthi in September here is the Mount Mary Festival, also known as the Bandra Fair. And every year I make it a point to visit the Mount Mary Basilica during this time to not only to take part in celebrations but also to seek blessings of Mother Mary, of course. And what made this festival so special is it's a cross-cultural and a cross-religious celebration. People from all walks of life and religious faiths come together here to celebrate this festival. I'm kicking off today's video here at this rocky coastline of Bandra. The weather is warm and a bit humid, of course. But the cool sea breeze is kind of rejuvenate the spirits instantly, you know, and the waves are rolling in so gently. It feels the sea itself is kind of welcoming us with a calm and peaceful vibe, isn't it? Beautiful. First, now let's go towards the festival side, the Mount Mary Basilica, and explore the atmosphere around there. And on the way you can see these buses, vans, several buses, vans and other vehicles parked along the sides of this highway, carrying people from different parts of the city and its neighboring areas. There are hundreds of buses, vans and various other vehicles parked here. See, so many buses, vans and other vehicles here, all these buses, see. And now heading to the Basilica through this line, which is right opposite the Bandra Bandstand Promenade. It is not the usual route I take when I come to this place. Let's go this way. I have to cross the road now. First of all, so this is the lane just opposite the Bandra Bandstand Promenade. You can see the huge crowd here, and you can see the crowd is already growing up, and it's only going to grow by evening. You know, time is only 3:45, and this is the shortcut way to the Basilica. We are at the Bandstand Promenade area. Bandstand Promenade, and see these shops selling various items here. At first, Bandra itself turns into a carnival-like place during this time. It's a 7-day festival started on the 14th of this month, September, and will end on the 21st. Today is 18th, and you can see various shops here selling various food items and sweet shops, food stalls, and so many things here. This is a food store. This is another food store selling. It's a sweet shop selling halwa and so many other delicacies here. And banana, potato chips, banana chips, and halwa. There's a halwa, so all types of sweets available, and jewelry shops, all types of shops here. These are the candles, wax models. Here sweets, various types of sweets here. Is it gone? No. This is the one. Okay. There's a gone delicacies here. There's so many sweets here, sweet shops. All these are various delicious sweets available here. And there's a jewelry. There's so many several. And again the wax models. There's again sweet shops. So it's a crowd. So crowded at the moment. Now time is 4 p.m. only. And also flower shops and garlands. You can see this flower garlands and candles in different colors. And here you can see the figures of Jesus Christ here, and so many different types of figures. Jesus Christ and Mother Mary, and many things here. So Mother Mary made of various. It's not a metal. I think it's kind of. It's not a metal. It's a China clay or something like that, or porcelain, or China clay. I'm not sure, but it's not metal. And there is jewelry and so many things here. There are flower shops, flower and garlands. All these are offering to the deity, Mother Mary. Candles, different colors of candles. And again, these figures of Jesus Christ and Mother Mary and various other figures here. It's amazing. I love this. इसका ये सब फिगर्स कितने में आ जाते हैं मदर मैरी का?
150 का लिया था ये।
150.
वो ले लिए वो एक।
So this is the iconic and historic Mount Mary Church, Mount Mary Basilica in Bandra. So beautiful. And this one another beautiful structure just opposite of this basilica. Let's go there. We climb the steps to reach there. Let's go. This one figure of close to Jesus Christ. We climb the steps to reach there. There's a statue of Mother Mary up there. It's a beautiful statue of Mother Mary. It's considered the powerful by devotees. Full statue of Mother Mary here. Now let's try to enter the basilica. This entry. It's gate number 5. The altar looks so beautiful, adorned with intricate patterns and motifs carved into wood and embellished with gold detailing. When you step inside the church, your eyes are immediately drawn to its wooden interiors, where delicate carvings add to the sanctity of the space. These carvings depict floral designs, sacred symbols, and elements of Gothic artistry, reflecting the influence of European craftsmen who contributed to the basilica's design. The side walls and arches also feature carvings that harmonize with the stained glass windows, creating a spiritual atmosphere where art and faith blend seamlessly. And the centerpiece, of course, is the beautifully carved statue of Mother Mary holding the child Jesus, which stands majestically at the altar. Now I just stepped out into the compound area of the church. This is the compound area. Here you'll find restaurants, washrooms, and a few other facilities for visitors. There's a restaurant. Just now I am at the beach. This is the evening vibe at the beach. Most of the people see around here are visitors of the Mount Mary Basilica, and which is very close to this beach. And the specialty of this beach is, of course, this shoreline. I haven't seen such a vast, rocky coastline anywhere else in the country. It's a very vast, rocky coastline. See? So, if you know one, please tell me in the comment. Okay. It's a very vast, rocky shoreline here. This vast The rocky shoreline of Bandra is so popular in Mumbai. Now I want to tell you a little bit about the Bandra Fair or Mount Mary Festival. What makes this festival remarkable or special is how it transcends religion. Yes, it transcends all religious barriers. While its heart is full of Catholic devotion, it has become kind of a Mumbai's tradition that unite communities. Many Hindus, Muslims, and people of other faiths, other religious background attend every year, bringing flowers and candles, or simply enjoying the food and festivities around. Yes, that is the Bandra Festival. The origins of the Bandra Fair go back more than 3 centuries. The central attraction of the fair is this Mount Mary Basilica, a Roman Catholic church perched on a small hill overlooking the Arabian Sea. According to tradition, a statue of Mother Mary was brought to Bandra by Portuguese Jesuits in the 16th century. Over time, the church became a place of deep devotion for Catholics, and people of all faiths began visiting it to seek blessings. And this particular lane I'm walking through right now is the original route I'm familiar with to the Basilica. You can see hundreds of people heading toward the church now, and along the sides of the lane there are stalls selling various wax figures and models that represent people's wishes. And on the way you will come across this St. Stephen's Church with a board that says, "Do not settle where you do not belong." Absolutely true. And these steps here lead down to the main road. And if you walk to the left, you will reach the bandstand promenade. And of course, along the roadside here too, you can see vendors selling various wax models. See, these are various wax figures and models. That's all for now. I'm signing off. I'll see you next Friday, 5:45 p.m. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much for support. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, share and like my videos. Your support is so important for the growth of my channel. So, thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you next Friday.